Hey guys, it's Galaxy Chewy 112 here, also known as Galaxy Chewy 112 on Animal Jam. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. So, I am so excited to be on Animal Jam because when I just logged on, Arctic Foxes are here! I just saw them. Yes, they are members. Nah. Please, nah. Now, because the Feast of Thanks is underway, and HAQ is truly thankful for all and each and every jammer, blah, 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 to show our gratitude. Now all jammers can change color of their accessories, blah, 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 blah. Yay! Okay, so my friend just said it. Now Play Wild, this one, is now on the phone, iPad, and iPod. Yay! Sorry, I'm a little sick. And the Pet Turkeys, also for members, and then a Fox mini book is now in Chamber of Knowledge. And now the daily Holiday gifts are coming soon. So on the 1st of December for me, which is going to be soon. Today's the 20th, so about 10 days. The Jamalays are coming soon, and so are the daily Jamaladay gifts. Log into Animal Jam every day during the month of December to receive your exclusive Jamaladay gifts, and a special treat: all jammers can receive a bonus diamond on special days throughout the... Wait, all jammers on special days throughout December. All jammers! On my birthday! I saw last year it was only for members, but now it's all jammers! Yay! Oh my gosh, HHQ, you're amazing. And then there's just the... Okay, so these adorable pets will visit Jamal every Jamaladay season. Okay, Pet Reindeer, I think they're also for all things. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled for the Jamaladay Jam, the sweet party that is filled with tons of fun and candy. Do you have Black Glove, Rare, Send, Jam? And if yes, no, I don't have Black Glove, Rare. Sorry. Okay, so let's see. Nope, not there. So yeah, I'm still dancing, and okay, so I'm going to just buy something. Let's say I wanted to buy this. Nope, doesn't change. Look for something this. I can change my own bed over and over again. Wait, I need the tree. Where's the tree? I need the tree. I need the tree. There is no tree. Wait. I think I can do something with the seat. Yes! The seat goes everywhere! Tiki table? Whoa. So, this is really good now. I can now buy whatever I want in my favorite color. So, if I wanted to lay, I can go to the shop. Where's the turkey hat? I can change it. Yes! I can get multiple of those hair. Change the hair color. Oh, this is so good. Yeah. Wait, you know you can't change that, sadly. What about this? Okay, I can change it to make a really nice color. Oh yeah, I can change these now. I love those, actually. Fezzes are cool. Fezzes are cool. Fezzes are cool. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Because I'm not used to doing this. Only members are, and I'm not. This is... Yeah, a lay. There you go. If I want to buy a lay, I can always change the color of it now. Oh, that's so nice. Probably giving your eyes a spaz out, but... I knew this day will come over. Well, actually, I never knew, but... Close enough, I sent an email to AJHQ, so thank you. Okay, guys, I'll just go into my red look, because why not? Okay, so this is the look. Yeah, I look amazing, and I'm really laggy. I just need to, never mind, I'm not bothered to. So she's in a giveaway with no trust, which is good. Yes! I'm so happy! Okay, I don't know what to do now. I'm going to go to the I'm going to Cluster 35, because that was the first one I saw. After these again. 1 second, guys. Okay, so I'm going to that den, because Quarter 35, it's the first one I saw after the thing. Happiness, happiness, happiness. I want to. Happiness, happiness, happiness. 1, 1, 2. Oh, my mom was anywhere. I can't say Arctic. Okay. Okay. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Bye.